There we go. Good morning. Welcome to the live stream again. Luke Trades London here. Let's see what we can get. Get the zoom in slowly. This up a bit. Yeah. And we're live. Go. Employment rate, yeah. See. I think for me the range is not big enough on GJ buys yet. 826, you're expecting it to make a new higher high though. But gold buys look pretty good too if we come down towards 34. Or stay at this level. I don't really know if I'm a fan of that 15. Looked like a good break and retest for me. Look on this time frame. Started going up. Made a support right here. Retested the previous. Started to make a new higher high. Higher low on top of the previous one. New higher high. Deeper pullback for a higher low on the higher time frames. But I'm not sure about the range yet. This is gonna be your top level. It's only gonna be like 20 pips ish. And that 19, 20 pips. Stop loss gonna be around 5. Rather when it pulled back a little deeper. 5 minutes not looking the best as well. Maybe the first 5 minute close bearish and the next one start breaking the highs to continue moving further up. Yeah, GJ wise there's not enough range for me right now. Even though closing pretty solid at this level. Range wise it's not big. I think you want to see a little bit of a deeper pullback also on GJ before continuing up. Let's get that music in. The last 14 seconds up this candle close.
Yo.
Yo, what's up?
Yeah, I'm good, and you?
Yeah, pretty good.
I think you have to send the link. I don't know if you did.
Not yet, I'm focusing. Focusing a little bit, and then I'm gonna send it. Yeah, I thought so. Yeah. Okay. Where's Minute Madness? Made its pullback. But yeah, is there enough range? I don't know about it. Expected up at least 72, 70. Yeah, gonna be slipping a little bit. Range is small though. That's the only thing that bothers me in this situation on gold. Send it right in there. There we go. That music on. GJ wise, yeah. Maybe it's gonna make a pullback for the 4 hour deeper down towards 600. And then create a support to retest the high. Early today, yeah. Looking for that wick fill. I think it's best as this 5 minute starts closing bearish. But let's see, there's a potential to turn and just start flipping and breaking the previous high. So I'm taking a little bit easy. The only thing that bothers me is based on the 1 hour. This level right here, but that's going to be 10 pips if you're going to be in anything. But let's see, you're going to be aiming for that 4 hour wick fill at least to 73. So let's see. Ooh, no. Eesh.
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning, man.
Good morning.
Looks like a great day today.
Yeah, man. I think so as well.
Hopefully, yeah.
Pretty. I'm looking for TzRzetHz to pull back towards 154, 600. The only thing is, like, it doesn't really have a bottom wick.
Yeah, on the daily I saw that.
Yeah.
I wouldn't consider today. I wouldn't consider it an aggressive day or anything. But we broke out of the range. I think probability should dictate that we can tap 155, 300, or at 155 flat.
Yes. I was looking at the same.
I mean, market-wise, nobody knows, but it does. For me, it would be an aggressive day.
What did you say?
Like, nobody really knows, but market-wise, this would be an aggressive day. Because because we're very bullish, and I mean, those clear candles, like...
He's on the line.
What's going on?
To speak to a service
Come on, guys. Okay.
Yeah, somebody's on their phone over there. I'm looking for two things, basically, like what Luke said, pull back down to 0.600, or alternatively, I was waiting for this to see if this hourly candle could close bullish, because if this hourly candle could close bullish, if you think about it, there's only 4 1-hour candles in the 4 hours, so if this one closes bullish, then that kind of sets the path for the next 2-3 hourly candles to kind of continue closing bullish up to...
Yeah, I do think so, yeah, 100%.
Yeah, I mean, all you're looking for is like support or break of resistance, at least on the 1 hour.
Exactly. Yeah, there's that resistance at like 0.780, but if you get, if you get some strong body candles closing, then that resistance can break, but it's so close that if you get a strong body candle, it's going to close above anyway, so...
Yeah, I mean, the levels, like you said, 780, and also a bit on the 15-minute at 825. Like, if we can, like, close even, like, the 1 hour could, like, start closing above there, like, that would also be a good indication for it to keep going.
Mm-hmm.
Like, yeah, there's some news, I think, like in 20 minutes, 25 minutes.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, fuck. We had unemployment.
Yeah, unemployment. Yes.
That might, that might stir the pot.
Yeah. Could do.
We'll
Could do.
see.
John Doe, did you take any trades on Livestream yesterday? No. Yeah, I wanted GJ to pull back to 600, create support, retest the high. Gold wise, I'm looking to trade inside this range to retest that 4-hour high, 73.
Yeah, fill the wick.
Yeah. Yeah, I wasn't there with this big move. I don't really trade outside of my hours.
No, it tapped that the top end of that 4-hour range, or like it filled the clean that 4-hour traffic to the left, like created a wick right down there, and then I saw it like just pumping up like crazy. But I was busy with other things.
You're like, shit. Okay, so it's looking pretty good on gold. I like the current situation because if price starts closing up like at this level, next one starts breaking the high, I might look for a cheeky entry. It's gonna be not the safest one, but I think we're gonna be able to fill that 4-hour wick at least until 73 flat, or that 72.880 level.
Hi guys.
Yo, what's up?
Max?
Hey, hey.
Just looking at GJ on the monthly, it's only 20 pips to 154.93.
Yeah.
Monthly resistance.
Yeah, I was looking more at the weekly one. Weekly one is at 155, 300. And also on the daily, we have clean traffic to that level. You do have to look at 155, 120. But other than that, it looks okay to move up. But it could reject off that level, yeah, 100%.
Thanks.
Imagine GJ goes does a pullback back into the range. Then oh boy.
Now imagine GJ starts just ranging for no reason, like here, in the middle of nowhere.
In the middle of clean traffic.
Zenon, hey everyone, can anybody help me with changing my entity on IC markets? I'm capped at 30 times leverage. You need to go to the global one. IC markets / global.
Unless, are you in Australia?
Well, here we go.
Yeah, it's in a gulag.
If you're in Australia, you can't go to the global one.
So sad. But at the same time...
He lives in the Gulag City.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Gulag City. Yeah, but at the same time, these lower leverages aren't all too bad. I had this guy who accidentally threw a 10 lot on a 3,000 euro account and basically drove that account down to 100 euros. I'm like, sheesh.
Yeah.
If he was using 1 to 50 leverage, 1 to 100 leverage, definitely that 10 lot would not have been thrown into the market.
Yeah, not have been opened.
Yeah, he must have.
I have 1 to 30 in Australia, and it's fine. It doesn't bother me.
Yeah, I think you can still risk like 2% with 1 to 30.
It's plenty. Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, anything over a $5,000 account, it's plenty of money. It's plenty of money to risk.
True.
I mean, yeah, leverage at the end of the day is just for, like, you don't have to put as much money in the account and you can just like risk more. Like if you have like 10,000, you just put like 5,000 in the account and just like risk the initial percentage you would risk on a 10,000 account. And
Sure. I mean, I've done all that when it used to be 1 to 500, but I'm happy with 1 to 30 and just having more money in there.
Yeah, it's all personal preference. I mean, but if you don't have the choice, then.
Yeah, well, yeah, in Australia, you can't join the global one. You can apply for the 1 to 500. You have to have certain criteria that you have to meet.
Like what, a company?
Say again?
A company? You need to have...
No, you can do it as an individual.
Okay.
There's a couple of forms, and you got 2 different options.
Sheesh.
Still slamming doors.
Yeah. Yeah, looking pretty good. Gold not so looking to buy in this 5 minute. Probably gonna wait for the next 15 to or either break the high or in bullish. Alexander, because there's a lot of movement in those pairs.
Do you have the music on?
Oh yes, forgot to share it.
I feel so quiet without the music in the background.
Gotcha, fam. No problems in it. No problem.
No charts today?
Yeah, soon. Just gonna wait. Looking for this. Right now, 15 is about to close. Yeah. There's a pretty big difference on my MetaTrader right now and then on gold. Like a 3 pip difference based on the closure.
Oh yeah, MetaTrader, it's like a doji.
Yeah, it's doji bearish and here it's bullish with a body.
Yeah, but it's weak bullish, so you
Yeah. Not taking that.
Yeah.
Maybe we get a strong 5 minutes soon. Or a break at the highs.
Potentially. Yeah, potentially.
Yeah. It's gonna be a little bit less safe. Well. It shows that bearish momentum is dying down in here. So that's pretty good. Ali, yes sir. Wait, give me 1 second. Gonna be looking at charts in a second, guys. Ooh, damn, did you do that? You're a G for waiting on that. I called that out on the last stream it was, I think. The stream before. Retest of 40, and then you're a G if you took that. Yeah, and luckily it was outside of our trading time. At least on mine. Came down. I was waiting for a pullback the entire time here. All the candles are closing without a wick. And savage. Savage. TJ shorts 500 and I'm bullish, man.
I knew somebody was gonna say that.
Yeah. I'm definitely bullish. Waiting for a pullback to 610 or any other level. Great support.
You in a bullish trade on gold?
No.
Oh.
Thinking about getting in on the 5-minute high, but I was like, yeah, wait a little longer.
Yeah, there's potential options at the 15 high. If you look on the 4-hour from yesterday, it's the same pattern. You know, you have like a fat red candle, and the next one break the high.
Yeah, makes sense. Makes sense.
Range is pretty small.
Yeah, if it makes sense, like according to your plan.
Yeah, I'm looking at for the 4-hour wick fill. But the thing is, this 5-minute is now so big. Okay, there you go. Now it's lower again. This 5-minute is pretty big right now. So I'd rather have the next 5-minute or the 5-minute after break that high and then continue.
True.
Then I have my stops at that one.
Yeah, it's got 1 minute left anyway.
25 seconds. It's gonna break it at the end. It's not gonna be my trade. But if it closes well at like 60 or around that, and it starts going down first and then up and breaks that 1871.14, could be pretty Gucci.
Oh, you're waiting for it to come down first?
Yeah, a little bit. I mean, it's... Well, I mean, a 5-minute don't bother me that much, but...
Don't let it overthink it, I guess.
Oh, no.
I don't know.
No. Definitely not. Good morning. The thing is, I don't know about this 9 minutes left, but let's see. If it starts breaking down and then starts breaking up, I'm taking it, but depends on how long it's going to take because I don't see any movement right now. Just flip for a second. Yes, perfect. Where can I get the music? YouTube library, free library. It's called Find Your Way Beat. Nana Kwabena. The name. Yeah, let's see on gold, maybe. I'm just, the only thing I'm looking at is filling at least a little bit more of that 4-hour wick. I want to take advantage of it. So let's see. DJ looking pretty good. I didn't no, look. Can we go short on the current candle? Closes below 1.4163 on GU. I don't know, what about you? Is it in your plan? Where's the wheat from?
Weed.
Wheat.
What?
Okay, it turns out the window. That's patient for you right there. Not jumping in. Give me 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Yeah, so for everybody to know, we have GBP news at the end of this hourly close. It's unemployment rate, quarterly unemployment, so could have some form of impact if the numbers are way off. But actually, because it's quarterly, that's maybe why it's marked as yellow folder, not red folder. Because, you know, maybe quarterly is less indicative of the overall trend.
Good morning, everyone.
Hey, morning, Augustus.
How are you
Yo,
doing?
yo.
Oh, this looks pretty
How are
good.
we? Yeah.
Looks fine.
Yes, sir.
Where did he go? That's a good question. Do you know what day it is today, guys?
Tuesday, yeah.
Really?
It's Tuesday, then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
What's the date?
What about it?
It's
What about it?
man's,
What do you mean?
someone's birthday.
I don't know.
It's just
It's your
somebody's
birthday.
birthday.
Is it your birthday?
I don't know.
Maybe. I don't know.
Jeez, yes. Man, like told me 18, innit?
Yes, sir. It's my fucking birthday.
Sir, my birthday. Yay. Happy birthday, bro.
We have to sing. We have to sing.
Wait. We need the winning trade, though.
Yeah. First,
I'm looking at gold
Then we
right
can
now.
celebrate.
The only thing is
God.
that 2 minutes left, so I'm a little bit off of it.
Man, like is growing old than that. Jeez.
Yeah, man. These were the D's. Thank you, guys. All the happy birthdays coming in. Whose birthday? It's my birthday.
Happy birthday, bro.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Man, I don't know. I mixed it with 19 or 17. What was it?
Yeah.
Somebody has a 19.
Someone that's 20 and I know it too.
Yeah, there we go. Yeah, because I mixed it with somebody. It's like having the same week, and I was like, shoot, man.
I think
you,
Russia is
Thank you,
soon.
Jello. Ooh,
Love
Linda,
it, bro.
thank you. Yeah, man.
Man, like he's turning old and that.
That's the vibe. The only thing I don't like about this gold is just 1 minute left of this candle. Like, no joke.
knows, never say never.
I didn't say never, but it's, I don't know.
Uh-huh.
I mean, it closes pretty well. That's the thing I do like, but I first wanted to pull back because the 1 hour is going to be closing. Yeah, I don't know about this, man. Look at how close that 1 hour.
If it closes without a wick, just maybe close 50% right there. And then.
I'm not in.
Oh, you're not? Oh,
No,
I thought you.
No, I'm waiting.
Oh, I thought you called out an entry at the break of the 5-minute high.
Master, your sales yesterday worked out.
Yeah, I saw.
Mhm.
But I closed them a little too early. Need to leave them running. Because I lowered
Thank you guys. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, I lowered that position by 50% and I had only a 10 pip stop loss, something like that. So if the stop loss got smacked, it would have been totally fine. But I saw some structure in the lower time frame. It closed full position at 5 pips. But oh well.
Okay. Close pretty okay. Just wanna. Okay, no, never mind. Oh shit. Okay. Yeah, I didn't say anything. Look at that. The way it just pulled back. That's perfect. That's good. Good.
Morning.
Good morning. How are you, man?
Yeah. Hello. Happy birthday.
Thank you, man. Thank you. Big man.
Turned a full 15 years of age. Just kidding.
Man's coming into adult life in that.
And you know it. Yeah, man. Time is flying, man, to be honest. Time is flying. Philippe Santos, best present would be 7k subs today. You know it.
That's true.
So guys, you know what to do. I don't want to say it too much, but like and subscribe for my birthday.
Oh, so that's how you won your gift. Okay.
Augustus.
Yes.
Yes. Can I ask you a question? Yesterday, I heard you say with Master that there's a news about, I think it's unemployment rate. But in the website news, you see it's a yellow folder, which is not a big news. But you say that it will maybe fluctuate, make the price move. And then is that every time, or I mean, like, do I have to take note of the unemployment rate news, which is yellow folder, if it has the news?
Well,
when I'm trading,
the thing is, when I look on a FX calendar, for me shows a red folder, and we all know that unemployment rate for any kind of country is a red folder. Like it doesn't matter because it's a massive economical news in regards to the country, because that shifts the sentiment. Is it positive or is it negative? Because unemployment is the biggest economical data mostly in the country, and that just tells you where probably the price might go. But right now, obviously, nothing. Deviation is only 1.25, so actual is 4.8%. So pound is in a positive. Obviously not by hugely, but it still might come into impact later on, because the market needs to suck in the news, and that's why this drop probably happened. So I think for GJ, it might come back to 154, 550, then shoot up to 155. If we break 155.50, I think we're going down all the way to 154, 350 at least.
Yeah, you're looking at then Asian levels, right? No, yeah, or even to daily low.
Also, the reason I think it's listed as yellow folder on FX Factory is because if you look at it, it's only the past 3 months, so that's like a rather low time frame. I think the very effectful one is the yearly one.
Yeah.
3 months is.
I'm not a fan of this 5-minute on gold. I was still thinking to buy it, but it broke the low, did a D-pass pullback, and now it's coming back up. But I don't know about this. It's gonna go up, but it's, with me being in it, nah.
With you pushing it higher.
As to add to Master, I completely agree. It's only a quarterly sort of unemployment, but still, then you need to think, okay, like for the rest of the quarter, for the previous quarter, UK has been in a lockdown, so nothing can be really much of a change because a lot of people just stay in furlough. So there can't be any sort of a sentiment change. That's why I don't think GJ needs to go down, because unemployment is at the stable level. But that push to the downside might just get the liquidity to go to 155 and then reject that level.
Wait, hold on. Where did the numbers come out? Yeah, the numbers came out as
expected.
Yeah,
they came out. Yeah.
Expected
4.8. Yeah, the actual.
It should have no impact really. Everything's the same.
Yeah. So it basically stayed the same. The deviation just barely changed or whatever. So I don't think there has to be much of a movement, and I think the movement is probably gonna be like around 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock, something like that, just for the market to suck the news and see where the market price action take us.
Okay,
It's all right. No worries, man.
Thank you, Augustus. Thank you, Master. Because I'm asking because I think when I'm trading, do I have to take note of this unemployment rate, which is the yellow folder? Because usually I would just, if it's a yellow folder, I would just say, okay, no big news, it's okay. But I hear what you guys say yesterday, so it makes me think I could take note of that. Yeah.
I mean, it makes sense because it's a yellow folder. We don't really pay attention, all of us. But then when you read what kind of news they are, and it's like, okay, it's unemployment news, so it still might shake the market. And we can see the downside push was just literally minutes before the unemployment data coming out. So you just must be really rather wait for that kind of news to come out, such as unemployment. Then you can sort of see where your trade can go.
Okay.
Thank you, Rafiq, for the donation. Thank you, man. Happy birthday. Thank you, man. They donated my birthday. Thank you, man. There was someone in the gulag said, take the short position on GJ now, otherwise you'll miss the train. No, I'm just looking for buys, man.
Sense. Great analysis.
Well, I don't know. I'm biased straight bullish.
Yeah, me too. There's no sells.
Thank you, Mohammed. Thank you.
I mean, the only thing concerning is like, okay, yesterday daily closed barely with the top wick, but then you sort of understand, okay, we had like at the end of the London volume session, we had like hugely volume pushing through the range. Then the other thing, today's candle opened with a slight gap to the downside without any sort of a bone wick. So then you're thinking, are we gonna come back? So like, are we gonna come back to make that bottom wick, or we have so much bullish pressure at that point that we don't even gonna make any bottom wick? So you know, I'm just I'm 50-50, so I'll wait for my chance today.
Yeah, that's true. And I mean, I do see like it does look very good to go up, but it could also, I mean, looking at the 4 hours, just be like a 4-hour pullback for maybe the continuation to New York session. So it's like, I think if the lower time frames print a nice bullish structure, then that's good. But I would still be looking for sales like under 550. But we'll see.
Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, I want to see how this sort of plays out in the range, because we're in the range now, sort of between 780 and 540. So you know, anywhere in between that, I'm just gonna see where my chances at.
Yeah, for me, it's a very nice situation, because what I explained the previous days before, and you see that happening right here as well. Is price making higher lows and higher highs and higher lows in the lower time frame, and then the higher time frame makes a pullback to create a new higher low after it created the new higher high, new higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and now it's gonna again create that deeper pullback on the higher time frames for that new higher low to be formed. So yeah, I mean, it looks pretty good to take buys up even inside this range, to retest the high right here and continue moving further up 155. That's what I'm thinking a little bit right now.
Yeah, because for example, if you see on the hourly chart right now, we're coming off resistance.
Yeah, that's what I meant. That's why I wanted price to go to 600.
Yeah, so if we can form some sort of a hourly nice support, I think that would be good to come to 155 at least.
Yeah, depends.
True.
I think a good 15 close could already indicate a lot on this level.
Yeah, it's right at that.
I'm not even looking at 15, man, at this point.
Yeah, makes sense.
You want to see it on the hourly, that'd be perfect. But
yeah, at least I want to see what the 30-minute is making. Like 15.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, it's just.
If it holds support where it is now, that's still a pretty strong level, like it is in a level. So it could be interesting.
Because the 30-minute broke the minor support, right? It created a bullish candle, so it created support, and then we broke that support. So we might come back down to 154, 550 to retest those Asian lows.
Yeah,
sort of. So yeah, we'll see. I'm just gonna wait. I've got no way to rush, man.
And yeah, in the UK, it's everything back to normal.
Yeah. I mean, everything is even. You can right now. You can come sit in the restaurant, so that's a huge thing for us.
Yeah,
that happened since yesterday, and yeah, obviously, I mean, obviously they are afraid of Indian variant, but the Hancock, one of the people that look after medical things and everything is really confident in terms of the vaccine that they have, and they haven't seen any sort of issues with the Indian variant. But man, July, another lockdown.
Yeah, I mean, a lot of countries, I saw like in Las Vegas and stuff like that, like you don't even need to wear the mask anymore, but they're very like strict also on vaccination. Like for them, vaccination And I think like a lot of countries is really like the solution. And like if you're not vaccinated, unfortunately, you're like.
I mean, look at UK. From the beginning of the year, we start bullish. We start pushing bullish, right? Like from GJ since the beginning of the year, because that was the catalyst for pound, sort of the vaccination that they created on their own, which was AstraZeneca. So they don't need to do any.
Oh, you're dropping away, man. Internet might be gone.
Economically, they're already stable. Plus, they export their vaccine to another country, so that they get the money in because of the vaccine. So that already pushes the pound, economically. So they don't even lose money; they even gain money from the vaccinations. And then the positive sentiment for that is they in the first quarter they vaccinated more than 30 million. So that's another positive sentiment for the pound. So yeah, it's got to look at that
true.
way.
I mean, the only thing is, I mean, the United Kingdom, England was still like post-Brexit, and I think they did good with the vaccinations, because otherwise it could have very easily
look
went
at the 15
south.
on GJ.
Yeah, and you guys are doing some full-on rocket science to catch some 10 pips here.
Yeah, but that's only 15, guys. You know that the 15 resistance is like 5 pips away. And the candle hasn't closed yet, so we're just coming into the 30-minute support resistance area at this point. So I'm gonna be mindful, guys. But yeah, I'm looking for buys myself. I think if this 4-hour flips, I think we might be really good.
Yeah, I mean, like you said, I think best buys would be
damn, son.
Pushing, boy.
Above that resistance, 780. Even if the 30 minutes starts closing above there, that's already good.
Yeah, boy. Land, that was a 5-minute entry. That was a 5-minute entry.
5 minute is even weaker than the 15 though, bro.
Yeah.
Man's talking about 15 weak candles that goes on the 5 minute.
I'm just had a little peek and I was like, that's a 5-minute entry, but I wouldn't entry because we just came into the strong zone.
Poking us out of that 50 now.
No, there was no trade even on the 15.
No trade, didn't close. I was waiting for a close. If it closed around 660, I would have entered 650.
But the good thing is the candles are big. You can see volume, so hopefully it continues carrying on.
I told you the market needs to absorb the news, and the news were positive. It doesn't matter what kind of. It's like even if nothing has changed, it's still a positive news for pound.
That just move.
So at this point, I'm kind of waiting for candle to close above this 0.800 level on the 30-minute 1-hour resistance. But if we start approaching London Open, towards London Open, and the 4-hour still hasn't broken the high, maybe potentially that could be a potential trade idea, aggressive trade idea over there.
Oh, like 154.830.
Yeah, if it breaks the 4-hour high, you could potentially have some buy stops over there, but it has to be towards London Open, because that's going to be the second half of this 4-hour candle.
Yeah, you do got to look out for the 155. That's definitely like a psychological level right there.
Yeah, that's 20 pip. Then you secure your 50.
Yeah, you have 20 pips of range. That's Gucci.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, but remember that your entry is not going to be on point. So let's say you get in 40, that's going to be around 16.
Yeah, but you're looking to get 10 pips, right? So that's that's your target. That's your target, bro.
Yeah, but I do want the range to be big enough, even though my target is 10 pips.
Yeah, but like yesterday, look at Raja. He took a sell into less than 10 pip range for me.
Yeah.
And I think it was like 7 pips up or something, but then he got break even.
I know, yeah. I'm not going to take a trade if I only see a 10 pip range or below a 10 pip range.
Yeah, for me, resistance is at the
777 for me, hourly. 30 minutes or.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, obviously after that, then for me it's like 155, 300. In between, it's clean traffic. There's nothing, no overthinking it.
Yeah, it's just 155. It's monthly, master.
Yeah, and strong level too.
Yeah, so
yeah, we'll see.
But I mean, it's still good enough for us to keep going to that level at least.
Oh, 100%.
5 minute broke the high.
I think this hourly might just push without a stop.
Let's see.
Yeah, to 155, I think it's just gonna fly.
I guess it's.
Yeah.
I was on time, yeah.
Yeah.
We're blasting yesterday. It was not normal.
Well done.
That's definitely not normal.
Morning, guys.
Good morning.
Is anybody thinking about putting a buy stop above the high? Because what I'm thinking, when we are breaking the high, unless we have no confirmations technically, just breaking the high, I expect at least 10-15 pip push.
Yeah, we discussed the potential buy stops on the 4-hour are possible above the 4-hour high because it created its bottom wick, and if it breaks the high, you expect it with volume to continue pumping up and create the bullish body. So
Yeah.
that makes sense. The question is, when's there going to be volume? And London.
Do you already broke the high, the range?
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, it made sense that you closed some off when it came back, but I don't know if you waited for this price to first make the bottom wick before continuing up. I wouldn't really call this a retest. Like full retest was at 600 level, but that's lower time frame, so at least it closed above, so it was a pretty nice entry. But I think you have to wait for a price to come down first before going up. I don't know how it exactly played out, but I don't know where your targets were. I don't know how much range you were looking at. Gold is rejecting that zone. I was not in, so I'm all Gucci. Come on, guys, samurai, English. Yeah, it is pushing. Look at that 1 minute. They're closing. Shoo.
Yeah, let's see if this 30-minute can close above like 0.780, 0.800.
Yeah.
The next one break the high to continue up.
Yes, Ingrid.
Ingrid in the chat.
Oh, samurai. Okay, makes sense. Makes sense. That's the same one. Really? Look at gold. Damn. Like psych. That's the wrong number.
It's ranging.
Yes, sir.
Don't know how people can say gold has a lot of volume in London session when it
Well,
ranges every session.
Yeah, true. I mean, we're in a small range right now.
It broke out of the range once, and the other time that it came into pre-London, it was a trending. It started ranging, so you know it's tricky. But you can definitely play the range and catch some 30 pips plus inside the range. Absolutely,
100%.
Having it trending, that's like seeing a unicorn in the woods.
Is what it is, right?
It's rare occasion.
Yeah, teachers, some sort of rejection as well. I wouldn't even be surprised if we suddenly start ranging.
Yeah, I think we talked about it. Like, imagine it just started ranging with clean traffic to the left.
Yeah.
But that's what it's been doing, honestly. It breaks out of the range and then creates a new fucking range on top of that. It's like, jeez, relax.
Yep.
Grandpa GJ.
No, but it's good what it's doing, because now the top break of the 30 minutes is just above resistance, and I think if like the next 30 minutes could break that high with volume, we could easily push up.
Yeah, but I don't think you're gonna take a buy 800 if you have all these.
Oh, I'm taking that 100%.
Ooh,
I mean, the volume is coming.
Frank. I have a buy stop at 8:35. Take
no,
it at 8:35 because it's.
It makes no sense.
It does, because there's a 4-hour wick right there, man.
4 hour.
Look at the 4 hour.
Yeah, but look, the volume
is
coming.
Range. No.
Guys,
this is a range.
guys, everyone's got their own perception into the market. So don't try to trade your analysis onto somebody else.
The only thing I'm gonna say is you can look out for that. It can reject easily off that.
Just 3 pips higher, and probabilities are boom. Okay.
No, but like my idea is, if this 30-minute closes like it is now, next one makes the bottom wick, breaks the high, then it has no, for me it makes no sense to wait those 3 pips for, because if it breaks the high on a 30-minute, you can easily expect it to break 15 minutes. And with volume, I mean, we're like 30 minutes away of London Open, so we'll see.
I understand your view on that, like expecting volume to also break that 4-hour high, right? The London volume.
Yeah, but if it breaks the high in the 30-minute, then it has a high probability of the 1 hour also closing above resistance, and just after pushing up, because it's very clear to the left with that the candles, like we have a clear range to like 155 at least, and even higher up. But we'll see.
Missy D, which website do you see the news at? See your Forex Factory. It says it right here, man. I'll paste it in the chat for you. There you go. We do interact with the chat, but sometimes when we're looking and we're analyzing, I'm not going to be constantly looking at the chat. Because I need to focus on trading as well, otherwise I can't do anything. Like, I can look at charts the entire day, but if I don't look at the charts myself, I can't trade myself, so it doesn't make any sense, right? Yeah, Mario, that's true though. We have seen that London volume. It's not the same as before.
It's Brexit. There's a guy in the YouTube chat called Raja is my daddy.
Yeah.
I love that name.
Isn't you know him?
No, but it's a great name.
Yeah, gold's looking trash. All of a sudden, range. Clean traffic up, range. What do you mean? No, range. It is what it is. Maybe wait for a candle to close above 72. First target 70. 380 and then continue moving further up. Let's see. I need. Ronnie, happy birthday, Luke. Keep up the good work. Thank you, man. Cheap. Do you see that discussion in the chat?
Yeah. Nice.
Take it easy, guys. Take it easy. Take a little look on some other pairs as well. Ooh. Damn. Look at the move on the EU. That one candle. All of a sudden breaks these highs and it just starts flying.
Oh, nice.
There wasn't really clean traffic to the left, so I don't know how you could have acted up on that, but damn.
You got JP in the chat. Is this the JP
No.
that we're familiar with?
No. Ooh, it looked like a pretty good retest on that level right here. Where GU, but the candle just went, didn't give any Jeez. GU, EU's moving. What's GG doing? Ranging. What's gold doing? Ranging.
Baba boy.
You know it. Mm. 30 minutes about to close, 40 seconds. Let's look at this entry in Euro CHF. Let's take a look. Put an extra slash right there. There we go. Okay, downtrend, came up to the level, kind of made a top wick, started breaking the low. Looks pretty good. Next time add some value on it, because I can't, not just value, just point out your support, your targets. I see your target being right here, but why is your target right here? You know, add a little explanation on it. Doesn't have to be massive, but some explanation is gonna help. What's the name of the track? Let me take a look for you, man. Sunset and Beach from Offchain. It's a pretty odd close on exactly in that 15-minute range. People on that. No, I'm not gonna say it. That gossip vibe. Aren't you,
Yeah.
masterpiece?
Stay on, stay on the, what's it called? The hype train.
Yeah.
no hairline express.
No, man. Hey, no, no.
Okay.
You know it.
That was a good one.
Just shut the fuck up, man. Just shut up. We're keeping it respectful.
Yeah, sure.
Fucking hell, man.
I need to get some water.
He needs some. Oh, he needs some milk. Yeah, it's a pretty delicate situation on GT right now. I think if you have a good close above that 780 level, what Augustus was talking about, and then price come down with a wick starts breaking the highs, I think continuation to 155 and continue moving further up is going to be there 100%. Just the way it's moving right now is just not nice. Taps into the zone, rejected. Now it just broke the 15 low. Gold wise.
It would be so funny that GJ just rages the whole morning.
Yeah. And gold.
I wouldn't even be surprised.
Yeah, me too. Me too. It is what it is at the moment, then, right?
Yeah.
I mean, it did it before, where you see the movement coming up just before pre-London, and then pre-London you see it dying down or wanting to show you a good setup, and then you come to London, and it just dies down and starts ranging. Man, like Frankie on the screen. Oh, people are running in those comment sections, man. Sheesh. I'm not gonna get involved though, but sheesh. Happy birthday, Luke. Please take a look at my GU ID. Yes, sir. Let me take a look.
I didn't realise it was your birthday today, Luke.
Oh yeah, man. My birthday.
Happy birthday, man.
Thank you, man. Okay. One hour time frame. Okay. I'm not sure about this situation, but let's take a look where it's at right now. You're coming into profits. 10 pips around that. I think. No, not yet. 822 entry. Yeah, sheesh. Okay. Administrator, happy birthday, Luke. Enjoy. Thank you, man. Yeah, I don't know about this situation. For me, it's bullish, even though, yeah, there might be a 4-hour level all the way to the left. But, yeah. Price closed above. Oh no, it didn't. I'm lying. At the end of the day, price is moving bullish though. So I would be careful if we come back up at least. Take it easy, guys. Stop the discussion about nonsense. Rather talk about the charts right now and see where you wanna be heading, right? Why focus on someone else when you can focus on yourself? Oh shit. Yeah, just a little bit of a waiting game now. And TzRzetHz gold. Gold is been a little bit more movement, but at the end of the day, London session has been boring. Like rangy, not nice moves. If you do an analysis on EN, I'll take a look. Sheesh. I like even.
Yeah.
Man's getting that goal far.
Say that again, sorry.
Man's getting that goal far.
Bro, I want it.
We were flying yesterday.
Yeah. Oh, is it your mates?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're nice, aren't they?
We were both 4 men deep, but we were in a Cooper S. John Cooper works, but it was not that fast as that golf. It was a lot faster. Yeah, that sound is amazing on that one.
Yeah,
amazing.
Yeah, I love my hot hatches.
Yeah. He's selling it though probably soon. He only had it for about a year. He's selling it. He's probably getting an Arrester.
Wow.
The only downside to that is that all these guys are spending all the money they have on cars. So dumb.
Yeah.
So dumb.
So what, your buddy who has that car?
Yeah.
He's your age.
Yeah, he's younger than me. No joke. How
would the car insurance stay in the Netherlands? I mean,
he does. It's not on his name. It's not on his name.
Okay.
No, his name. If you put down your own name,
yeah, because
you can't even get it on his name.
Boy.
Yeah, you can't.
In France too.
In UK, it's terrible.
You can't even get it on your name here. If you're young.
Even can tell. It's mad in UK. Man, you pay thousands for your insurance.
Yeah. But that he changed the exhaust to the original Akrapovic. It sounds loud, like it's loud for golf.
Pie's looking pretty tasty on here.
On GJ.
No, yeah. But the analysis you were doing.
Yeah.
Close above there.
Delicate situation because there's so much movement inside this entire.
Yeah,
look at this. Like, look at all the movement right here.
It's crazy.
Like, don't expect like a very clean move happen, you know. But I do think that buys could be an option. Sells could come into play, but you already see this candle respecting the support. So here you got 200 towards 360, or even a little bit up 400 clean range. So I think if you have a close above this level right here, and you expect this to be respected, above this level, I think you could target the clean range going back up towards the tops right here and further up towards this high. But do remember that you're in the middle of a range, so you could go either way, like literally. For sells, I'd be looking below this level right here, so that 1.68000. Because then you got clean range to the downside, and that's around 45 pips. So I'd call this a no trade range that you're in right now, and just look for buys above 1.86,215, and for sells below that level that I just called out. That's what I would be looking at. But and it's a delicate situation, to be honest. If you did form a good support on the 1 hour, and it's respecting. So what you could be looking at is maybe this candle still closing bearish a little bit, or doji in the next one, you know, breaking up and starts closing above, then you could take those buys. But if it's going to break this structure, so the structure right here that's forming, you're going to see downside movement coming further into play, and then you're going to be selling this level, this move. Otherwise, you're going to be buying this move. And I would sells, the range for the sells looks pretty good. You're going to be having target levels right here. So your first target and the second target, maybe this is going to already be your first target, or the wick. This wick could be your break-even trigger, like that's around 8 pips. And after that, you can continue moving down towards yeah, this level right here, and then continue moving down to the bottom. That's going to be your super target. So it could go either way. You're in the middle of the range. It's a big enough range to trade inside, so I think yeah, looks pretty good. Line, that's going to be your buy. Here's going to be your sells. But I would wait for a close below, or either below or above. I'll send you this bar here. Ewan.
Yeah.
Look in the chat.
Which one's that?
That's the it's pretty sick. But big money for that, man. Definitely bought something else.
Oh, is that the guy you told me about?
Yeah.
Oh, that, nice.
I like his color combination though, lapis blue with the wheels. Not the black ones, but just normal silver.
Yeah, lapis blue is the best color for the golf hour, I think.
Yeah, 100%. This guy, a friend of him. So I don't know that guy. Like, what's going on? Someone has music on. Got rad for. Come on, man. Mute the mic. One of his friends, he has a Go Far with an RS3 engine. Like, no joke. 7 plus 100 horsepower.
Ooh, sheesh.
Yeah.
Yeah, the kind of people that drive this car, they kind of ruined it for me.
Let's take a look at this chart. Happy birthday, Lick. Thank you. Man like Cobain. Are you gonna celebrate? Yeah, probably in the weekend. Yeah, man. Trying to hit that 7K today because it's my birthday. So, guys, for the people that are not subscribed yet, I don't want to say too much, but subscribe. Be a nice birthday present.
70 subscribers? Come on, guys. We got 375 people. You can easily get that. Easy numbers. Oh, somebody's speaking a different language to me. What's this? I might hit you with that Google Translate, fam. Let's see. It's Hindi.
Wait, I'll show you.
Oh, he's like, what do you want, brother?
Wolf, that's fast. Fuck. I think it's just, yeah, Grace, R800. Now he's running even more. He's running 800. Look. Put it in this one as well. For the car guys. Only for the car guys. Instagram for the car guys. Not the biggest fan of golf style, but this one is fast.
Nice.
It's insane, 800 horsepower.
Yeah. RS3 engine, no joke.
Jesus Christ, don't know how much money is put into that.
Yeah. It's mad.
This guy, I got 700 horsepower in my diesel pickup truck.
Yeah.
Nice.
Sheesh.
My car's 60 horsepower.
Damn, that must be flying.
Yeah, man, you don't want to get in a race with me.
Bro, trust, but 60 to 100 horsepower small cars, you can have a lot of fun in that, just throwing it around, not giving a shit.
Oh, honestly, man, my car is the slowest piece of shit in the world.
Okay.
It's GJ.
You guys are young, you need to drive slow so the girls can see you. No, I was just fly by, fuck the girls.
So the girls can see.
I'll go tinted window so not looking. I think there are a lot of car guys in here though, like a lot.
Gas is a scam.
Yeah, but it's true though.
The prices are ridiculous.
Yeah, but see how much tax and stuff there is on the prices, man. And oil's flying right now, man. Just go down. Making them highs again. It's only going to be more expensive.
I'm wondering what's going to happen to the price of cars in the UK after Brexit. You know, with all the German cars.
Oh yeah, with the imports.
Hey guys, I see 68 incoming on. It's going to be 220 a liter.
Damn.
Man, why is all pairs except you right now and Euro USD ranging? Nadimuso just subscribed. Look, thank you, man.
Should have voted for Trump.
Sorry guys, but this is price not doing anything. Like, boring.
Yeah, it's slow as hell, man.
It's slow, so that's why we're talking about some random stuff. I was like, I wake up this morning, and I was like, I see GJ moving, I see you guys being happy that it's moving. I'm like, this is gonna go today, you know? I was like, today is gonna be that day where we're gonna have that great move, and now I see range. Drip King, I was looking forward to London session. I'm glad I found your account. Thank you, man. Let's go where the JDM fanboys at, Master P.
Oh yeah, that's of JDM.
And Nick is with you.
He's got some 1,000 horsepower Supra. I think I'd see him driving in that. Or 800 horsepower.
No, he's driving new Civic Type R.
GTR. Yeah, true.
Civic Type R. Civic Type R. Yeah, he's a fan of that. I don't know what I would drive. I don't know, man. too many. My mother reacted on the video last night on Instagram, and she was like, "That's a double line." You know did you see it, Master P? No, I removed it pretty quickly.
Oh damn, what was
Wait,
it?
I'll send you it. We're flying. That's why I showed that golf. We're flying yesterday, man. It's a couple videos in one, so you need to see the first one and then the second one and then the third one.
Oh, okay.
You're not allowed to overtake on the double line, right? Like one line, and that's no what's it called? Just one straight line, like one of those. Like
yeah,
one
you
of them.
can't overtake there.
Yeah, and this was a double one. But then you can definitely not overtake.
Nice.
Ooh, Alpaca. I sold my Evo X 2 weeks ago. Ah, damn. I love an Evo 5 or an Evo 6. If I would go GDM, I would go probably Evo 5 or Evo 6. Oh really? Damn. Nice. Do you see it, Master?
Yeah, I'm looking at it.
Any trades? No trades. It's ranging. Look at GJ, man. And gold.
Oh damn.
What?
Oh, you overtook him at that.
I didn't take. I wasn't driving. I wasn't driving. I was in the passenger seat, and there were two people in the back as well.
Oh, okay. Oh, and your mum replied to that on Instagram. I was like, bro, I take a corner a little too fast with my mom in the passenger seat. She's like, "Oh my god, you're gonna kill us!"
Okay, that sounds like the Simpsons right there. I understand that your car is
yeah, you know how I drive.
It's like it's nearly falling out of the joke.
Yeah, it's got no interior and everything.
You only need a different engine and with big numbers, and it's gonna be fast. Yeah. Nathan, can you take a look at this GU chart? Yes, sir.
Ooh, look at that chart.
Ooh. Yeah, that GU buy. That one guy that sold right here. There's a guy that sold this candle. And once it closed, sold the candle. And the chart before, I don't have the chart anymore. But he sold the candle.
Okay.
And now it's going back up. But it makes a lot of sense because now I made the lower wick. And oh, close bullish. Okay. But now even though it made the lower wick, now it's turning. So I think you have huge upside potential. Like Wolf of Wall Street. Let's take a look. EU. Okay. Broke the high, but still not moving a lot. Yeah, a 5-minute retrace, maybe next to a 5-minute closing bullish, making higher highs, higher lows, especially closing above 882 and then continue moving further up. I would no, pip wise it's okay. Yeah, pip wise you went up a little bit. You went like 5.5 pips. It could be rejecting off that level to the left side, but oh wait, I can't look there. Oh wait, I can't. No, you should be good G towards like 1.42 071 based on the 4-hour. Based on the 30-minute, yeah, it's a delicate situation. I think you should be Gucci. The thing you could do right now though is have your stops below the current low, because you don't want the current low to be broken anymore, because otherwise it's gonna reject. It's a rejection right here. Isaac, can you look at this chart? I need to send him in, then I can take a look. You should
GG last 5-minute push.
Yeah.
We should have voted Trump.
we don't live in the US though, man.
That's funny.
Cat JPY. I don't know why you're trading that part. Like, both markets are closed, doesn't make sense to trade, man. Make sure one market is open, and then you can trade that pair because it's getting influenced by that market. Nadumiso A45 or Golf 7R? Like the new A45S or 7R? Oh, that's a good question. It has to be 7.5, but I don't know, man. Too hard of a question. I would probably take the Golf R. I don't like the sound of that A45. Sanyala, Kavinda, and I'm not a Golf fan. So that says all. I mean, if it's a new A45S, yeah, probably I would take it anyways, so. Very good. I like this situation, anticipating this clean traffic to do the same. See, it took a sell right here as well in the past. But this is a very nice trade. Very, very nice trade. Put your stop loss below the previous high. Above the previous high, I mean. Very nice. AUD USD. Is it too late to join? No, because the markets are closed. I think, right? Yeah.
London open in 15 seconds.
Let's see. I'm looking forward to this. Hopefully it's gonna do something. Last 5-second push maybe, Augustus?
Let's go.
Let's turn on the... Let's see. There we go. London open. London open. 1 hour close. Bullish on GJ though, so that's pretty nice. Did a deeper pullback, so I think if we start breaking up and start creating some sort of a retest or support right here, we could continue moving further.
Yeah, makes sense.
Right, people opening the Magic Keys calculator right there. Who was that?
My stops, right?
Okay. Yeah, if I see that happening, I'll enter manually.
But I highly doubt that.
Yeah. Let's see. Gold's pushing down. Yeah, Edwin, couple still have that buy stop. Are you in GJ? No. No, it's ranging right now. But hopefully, it can be pushed out by the news. So not the news, the market open. Okay. Take a look at this chart real soon. Yeah, gold's just becoming ugly, to be honest. Is it too late to buy EU? Let's take a look at EU. I think that was moving. Nah. Could still make that bottom wick. Could still make that bottom wick. Yeah, I think it's still gonna make that bottom wick maybe. And then retest the tops right here. I think what you should be looking for in EU right now is it, you know, if price pushes a little bit further up, just wait for price to come down, create a support on 680 or this level right here. Yeah, this 720 around that level, and then retest the high to continue moving further up, or wait for a retest for a wick to come down, and once it starts going back up, you could maybe enter and expecting price to have retested it, put stops below the current low, and then continue moving, driving further up. Movement. Gold wise, not doing a lot. Oh wait. Okay. It's ranging like hell, man. Yes, sir. You know it. Ooh, we're coming close to 7,000 now. 40 left.
Ooh, 40 left.
40 left.
That's 10% of the viewers. Easy numbers. Easy.
Yeah. What does the yellow line represent on your chart? Go to the 30-minute time frame and the 1-hour time frame. That's where the candles close. I just put it up. 1 hour. God. Perfect. There you go. A couple lines right here. Looks a little bit better. Why do you count the wicks as your resistance? Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. If you look on the higher time frames, you see me counting the wicks. But on the lower time frames, it has to be on the levels. Like right here, this is pretty much the resistance, and then the 30 minutes right here. If you place those lines correctly, you can see it lining up in the lower time frames as you're placing them on the higher time frames. Just nothing. Just went up and now it's coming back down. Gold wise going down.
He's just ranging GJ, man.
Yeah, it's not doing anything
Nasty
today. I was like, today's gonna be a moving day, you know.
Yeah, I mean,
London volume is doing nothing.
But that's lately. We expected that from before, because if you look at the past days, yeah, the past months, where was the London volume? Last year we got London volume moves of 30, 40, 50 pips, yeah, the entire year nearly.
I remember every Tuesday when I first joined, every Tuesday 100% it was a 50 pip move. Like,
yeah,
almost every Tuesday for the first month. I would have buy stops above 4-hour highs, below 4-hour lows, and boom, 50 pip moves here and there. Like, I was like, oh wow.
Sheesh.
One of us has to like hijack the government in UK and kind of cause some beef.
Oh shit! You better be careful what you say, man.
Well, just jokes, but like, you know, if UK causes some beef, then that might cause some volatility in the pound.
Yeah, but you gotta be careful with that. You gotta be careful with that, man.
There was a YouTuber who applied to be the mayor of London, and he like came in quite high, like 5th, 4th, I think, something like that.
But next time, look out with saying that, because they're gonna come after you when you say that, man. Trust.
Ooh, okay.
They're listening. Trust.
They're listening, you know?
They're listening. There's this guy from the FBI looking at the charts right now. He's calling the markets. No, he's buying. Put it down. Euro USD's flying, isn't it? Take a look. The thing is off. Yeah, that's off. There was a guy in buys on the 30-minute. You should be Gucci, man. You should be around 10 pips now. Okay, GG coming up to that resistance. Gold is doing some movement as well. Not much, but... Hello, how can we also get into the Zoom? Not yet.
You should drop them the Zoom link for your birthday in the chat. Remember?
Yeah, but there's only 100 people that can come in.
Oh yeah, true.
So 50 more people. We'll do that in a second. We'll do that at the end of the session. Yeah. We're not that far in yet. Okay, cool. GJ is moving. On the move. You be careful, man. At the end of the day, it's gonna be looking at a impulsive entry.
Yeah, exactly. If it doesn't pump, then
4-hour level. Yeah, if it doesn't pump straight away, no need for you to be in, right? Yeah, Dimitri, you don't really know when there's gonna be that rangy day, right? I expected it to be a very good day, so yeah, it would be fun, but I think that's better if we do that like in later sessions or some evening sessions maybe. Zainab, give a like to the stream, guys. Yes, and absolutely subscribe for my birthday. Get us to 7K as the birthday present. You know it. Press the button. Only like 38 left. So take a look how much we got left.
Give this man a birthday present. Come on, guys.
Yeah, 33 left. 33. Let's see if we can get that level today. It would be insane. BW can't make it to the end of this. Ah, it is what it is, man. Tomorrow we have another party. There's gonna be chaos. Only 50 people, but I know what's gonna happen. How's Bitcoin going?
Who knows?
GA is nasty as well, man. But you could be looking for sales below that zone if you price starts closing above targeting this wick, but look at nasty range. Just in the 30-minute time frame, it's insane. Let's see if price wants to move up.
Look at the time right now.
What?
Look at the time right now.
Oh, come on. Come on. Can't be like that. GU. Sheesh. It retested this and then started going. Yeah, that should have been your entry right there. When they came back down to this level. Entered. You could have your stops below here, and as soon as when it went there, you could have your stops at the current low, and then just expect it to start moving after. And once that breaks, if you did that, yeah, I'm gonna count what the initial stop loss was. So let's say you got in based on that wick. Let's say you got in at 70, 75. That's a normal entry right here to the top. You started with a 15, and once that price starts coming back up and closing upside, you're in 7 pips profit. You're gonna put your stop loss at 4 pips profit, 4 pips negative, and you're only able to lose so little. You would already be at 17 pips now, and you could already start moving your stop loss at 4 pips in profit below this current bearish candle low.
Yeah, I cancelled my buy stop on GJ because I see this 1 hour wicked up to that resistance and I was rejecting, so it's like rather wait for a candle close above it.
Damn, man, give us some more movement. No earnings. Happy birthday, Luke. Thank you, man. Ooh, what's that? What's that? There's some dogs in the background. Master P, man.
Oh shit, yeah. They're way far away though. I'm surprised you can hear that.
Oh shit, people are pushing the numbers. Dennis, thank you, man. EJ short. Let's take a look at EJ. We haven't looked at the EuroJPY yet. Oh, I don't know about that, man. I would first look for a structure to break. I mean, it's at that strong zone. I get what you're saying, but look at the movement. Even though it's ugly, it's making higher highs and higher lows, right? It's going up. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Could be the higher high for you. That makes sense to sell, but how deep you're gonna sell? Till 812? No. Happy birthday, Luke. More winnings, yes. But the only thing I'm asking for my birthday right now is for price to just start moving, man, because it's it's trash. Just move.
Yeah, GG, just do one, man.
Yeah.
To the upside, that's it.
Shit.
Oh, the 15 minutes is like.
Let me call the market makers real quick. Yo, boys, can we just put some volume in? No, they told me no. They don't have any volume. It is what it is. 15 just close, rejected. Even to sell on this 15 low is going to be too little of a range.
You don't want to...
No, you're just playing with fire right there.
Yeah.
Even though it looks pretty nice to do, but it's going to...
Below.
What do you say?
If it closes below, that's still a good move down.
Yeah.
At this point, and it looks like it's going to do that instead of go up.
Jeez. I mean, it rejected, so it makes sense to go down.
Yeah, if this 4 hour does close bearish and the daily has no bottom wick, then potentially that's a resistance to create a bottom wick on the daily. I think.
Yeah.
Like if this was it is a setup I look for on Mondays. Often sometimes we see this, and yeah, I'd take sells on the close of that 4 hour if it was Monday, but it's not Monday, so I'm gonna take it by the ear. But yeah, I guess if if price is having such a hard time going up and it starts breaking below this 1 hour support at 600, then I guess it does make sense for there to be a range down up until the daily flipping point.
Yes.
Yeah, but look at the 15 minutes, still has no wick. I mean, for now, nothing points that it's going to go to the downside.
Yeah, there's nothing.
Yeah, I don't know.
I mean, it's ranging. It's just
exactly.
It's not.
It's ranging. Yeah, true.
If it breaks above, continuation, breaks below, counter trend.
But I mean, it's just rejected that resistance level, so you could expect it to go down like this.
Yeah, but still look at the 15. Like it has no wick. Okay, the wicks are going to be.
Yeah, but it broke the low though. It broke the bullish low, so it engulfed the entire candle. So if it was hanging around here and it didn't break the low yet, yeah, then I would have said there was nothing. But now it broke the low, even though it had a top wick, because this was the top wick. This candle was the top wick. This was the rejection candle, so this candle didn't even have to make a top wick already, because this is hanging at that resistance area and is rejecting from that. So this candle is like, okay, we just made like a 5-minute or a lower time frame fake out inside the range, so we're gonna go down. And it might be a little bit overthinking for some people, but if you look at the way it moved and the way it tapped into the zone and came back down, it pretty much, this wick is pretty much a rejection / fake out candle. And now if you break the low, it's engulfing the candle. This is a rejection candle right here, because the candle wick is already bigger than the body. Now this one engulfed it, broke the low, but your range is too small for to take any of this, so there's still no trade. But based on what's happening right now on the higher time frames, you could have, if this was a bigger range,
yeah, but 30 minutes broke the high.
Yeah, but it rejected though.
If we're looking at the 30 minutes, yeah,
it did reject though.
Well, the candle hasn't closed yet.
Yeah, true.
Yeah,
but
we'll
it broke
see.
the low,
I mean, well, it's in the range, so if we break support, then
yeah, it's in a tiny range now. Yeah, 100%.
You don't want to be in this anyways. You don't want to be in here.
It's in 15-18 pip range, so
yeah,
it's nothing basically.
You need that 15-18 pip range for your target, not for the range you're being in, because you're in the middle, and it's down is 10 pips, and it's up it's only a couple pips as well.
But we're still in a bullish trend. So, I mean, for now, we just have to see like breaks the high or the low, or closes above resistance or under support.
Yeah, just break out the range. That's it. That's all I want.
Exactly.
Both sides doesn't matter, because it's just, if it's gonna break below, it's gonna break the bearish structure, and then you can expect price to just start coming down as well.
Yeah, but
make that daily bottom wick.
I think sales are tricky. Like,
yeah, but there's still gonna be a possibility for price to start making a bottom wick. But if you see, it made the same move it made like a couple of days ago with that gap up. It was right here, right? The gap up, and then price starts just moving. But I do think there's still a probability that we could come down if we start breaking structure.
I mean, now I'm just, yeah. So like, now I'm looking at the 30 minutes. Like 30-minute close, that's a really good indication.
Yeah, same time.
If the 30 minutes can close above resistance, then I'll take it for longs.
Yeah, it makes sense, because but at the end of the day, what you said as well, I'm not looking for sales yet. Yeah, makes 100% sense, because the bullish structure is still there at the end of the day right now.
Yeah,
100%. If I see this 600 level being broken, that's gonna be the new that's gonna be the freshest high low that's gonna be broken. That's gonna be the structure broken right there, and then I'm gonna be looking for sells down towards these levels right here.
But the ranges are very small. Like the first one is like 5.5, and the second one I think is like, yeah, the second ones are like 17, 10,
yeah,
12.
but you're expecting price to break, right? So
yeah,
you see levels like the same with the 4-hour level that you're anticipating, that you wanted to do the buy stop at, right? That you wanted to take it just before the 4-hour high. That's the same anticipation that's just gonna break up and then start going.
Yeah. I mean, I just wanted to move, honestly.
Yeah, this is just printing barcodes right now.
I mean, yesterday was already bad. Like today, higher time frame, they look very good. So hopefully it moves. I mean, that's the only thing.
DJ became UJ.
Yeah.
DJ. It's for grandpas. If you have heart problems, you can now start trading TJ again.
Yeah, the only pairs that are moving is GU and your UZ. Your USD looks good. The only thing you could wait for now is just a pullback to get a support created to retest high and continue moving further up. It's on the move, so you're expecting price to just start going anyways. If you come back down, retest, do a look on the lower time frame and start going back up. Remember the guy that's still in there, Masterpiece. In the NZD USD from
oh yeah, he's still in.
68.4.
Nice, that's become an investment now.
Yeah, that's like
Osteo
man style.
Yeah.
Man like Najim.
And Najim on the stream.
Najim, how many pips did you take today?
I did not take any pips, man. I was in sales, then I saw confirmation for buys, closed at break even.
Okay.
I'm in a small position on buys now.
Okay. From where? 660.
What? 155, 154, 697.
Okay,
So,
that's pretty much right.
Yeah.
Mm.
But let's see. If he comes back close below again, I'm going to sleep.
Oh, nice.
Done.
Nice.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
Because it's going to be ranging there.
Ranging.
We said it as a joke at the beginning of the stream. We're like, imagine.
Yeah, I jinxed it. It was my fault. Oh man.
I mean, GG has become like the one trading day in the week. Like if you miss it, if you miss your move, you can't make any more money.
Just gotta like use the risk you don't use on other days on one day, on that one good move, and then you're good.
Hopefully Friday we get a good move on that retail sales. Maybe I act up on that. Unemployment claims Thursday on USD.
It's got a stream news now.
CPI Wednesday. That's gonna be fun.
And it's year over year, so that's a big one.
Yeah. Tomorrow. Sheesh. I'm looking forward to that. Hopefully, we're gonna see some movement. Get some buy stops, sell stops. Yeah, let's see what price does.
Oh. Yeah, let's set some alerts.
Where?
Just at the top and the bottom of this range.
Just set them above and under and go and play some video games.
Yeah.
Drew posts up 999. You guys are awesome. Your streams would be going like Roger's good traders here tonight. Wait, this is hard to read for me, man. Yeah, good night, guys. My trade is a swing currently in profit. Nice. Thank you, man. Thank you. Yo, Ingrid is in the smoke. When that magic key's coming, Ingrid? She was the winner of the first magic keys.
Who was the second one, actually?
There's let me see what his name exactly is. Oh. Carlos.
Okay.
Carlos Inganicio Lara Silva.
And you responded?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
When's the next giveaway?
10K.
10K? What's 10K?
10K. Over 3,000 subscribers left.
What are you?
Yeah, but when are you going to
You want to know, right? It's been set before.
A MacBook.
Whoa, relax.
I'd like a plane ticket to Bali, please.
Nope.
Yes.
if you give away a MacBook, I will spend all my time on charts making the best perfect charts ever.
Yeah, but you don't need to spend all your time on the charts, man. Only 2 or 3 hours a day.
And you should be.
Joking.
Okay.
You should already be doing it.
Yeah.
No, rewrite the Holy Bible on the chart. For a man.
Stian, Frank, and Haluk, how do you get into the Zoom session? I don't see any in the YouTube description unless I'm blind. Yeah, you can't find them. It's,
you're blind.
It's a secret. The secret. Now, at the end of the session, I'll drop in the Zoom link in the chat so we can have a laugh. My birthday, so yeah, I need to party a little bit, even though prices are ranging.
Getting a great birthday present here.
Yeah, it's about. Look at the number right now, 6.99.
Nice.
6.99. Okay, guys. Should we just break it right now? 7 left. So 7 people. There's seven more participants that want to click on the subscribe button. We're gonna be hitting numbers.
At 7K, if we reach 7K, we'll drop the Zoom link in the chat for you guys to join in. But let's do that towards.
Okay, yeah, let's do that
in an hour, because there might still be a confirmation here. Yeah.
JY, happy birthday, Luke. All the best. Thank you, man. Thank you. Ooh, there we go. 7K hit. Thank you, guys.
Let's go.
Sheesh. Let's put them quick horns on, you know. 1 second.
That was fast. I mean, a couple months ago, that would have taken us a week.
Yeah, man. Man, crazy. Thank you, guys, for the 7K subscribers. Yeah, man, the growth is amazing. I don't know what to say.
You've got a silver play button incoming.
Yeah. Thank you. Round of applause. You know it. Very nice. Happy birthday, my dude. Thank you.
You have to do like Drake, like eat your eggs in it.
Totally. Subbed. Tell me if you only trade naked. Yes, I trade naked charts. No, no indicators or anything. There we go. When you win the giveaway, you get magic keys and unlimited supply of shoutouts on Luke's stream. Yes. Next birthday, 70K. Oh, damn. That would be insane. 10 times.
Next birthday, yeah.
Anything's possible.
Yeah, anything is possible. If we keep on going like this and we keep on providing the value and the streams every single day, yeah, it's just the only way it's going up. Candle closed below. 30-minute candle. Hope not naked trading while trading. Hope not naked while trading. Wow. Man, that's crazy. Any trade I can get in now. You gotta be patient, man. You gotta be patient. Amir, happy birthday, bro. Best regards. Thank you, man. Thank you. Oh, that was a weird man. It's pretty much doing the same. If you look on what's happening, made a high, came back down, rejected going up, and now it's just hanging around this level. Look at gold, made a high, came back down, tried going up, rejected the level, and exactly the same. Look at the way it's moving. Or it's just me, but this is, for me, it's similar. Yeah, this is similar, like pretty much the same. Sheesh! Jay up the happy birthday, bro, and happy 7K. Thank you, man.
I just lit the fire.
Nice. Let me see, man. Get that fire. Ricardo, where's the music, man? We got the fire and we got no music. It's my birthday today.
Happy birthday!
Yeah,
thank you. Happy birthday for you.
Perfect. Let's do that.
But you want to hear the Stevie Wonder Happy Birthday? That's a better version. Or the Beatles.
Okay. Let's hear it.
I don't know those ones. I only know the classic Happy Birthday.
Okay. Well,
everybody.
I'm waiting. People are already saying choo choo. we want the choo choo song.
Well, everybody's got to sing along.
Okay. Let's do that. Let's do the choo choo song, and we're all sing along. Guys, we're getting the choo choo song. This is live trading and live music right here, guys. Choo choo. Black coffee. Happy birthday, Luke. Thank you. Happy birthday. Thank you, Rod. Yeah, man, we're gonna get that choo choo thing. You know it. Dr. Dominic, you know it. Put the normal music off for a second. Man, this rangy session. It was my fault, Massipi. I jinxed it.
Price just starts consolidating in the middle of clean traffic.
Yep. Yeah, man. That choo choo is gonna do us all good. It's all good. Thank you, guys. Man, just look at this range, how nasty it is.
It's absurd. The 4-hour does close bearish. I might just trade into NY to see if we can get a breakdown and cause a bottom wick on the daily.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. Makes a lot of sense.
Yeah, because there's no volume to break up.
GU and Euro USD.
Yeah, GU and GJ, it doesn't make sense, man. GJ should be pushing with the GU, innit? With the pound.
Because USD is close.
Yeah.
It doesn't make sense that it's not moving.
Yeah, even USD JPY had a bigger move than pound yen.
Even Euro USD. Guys, come on.
Sheesh. Come on, market makers. Who's got them connections? Stir up something.
Why to Tradingview tabs? Because if I don't do that, if I change constantly, like not like this, but like this, see, right? And I zoom in like this, and I come back, it's all zoomed out again. So, and I find that pretty annoying. Oh, we got the guitar. Let's put my music off for a second. We're getting the choo choo.
So it's your birthday.
Oh, we have to sing.
Yes, sir.
Let's sing.
Here's your starting note.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday
to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Lou.
Happy
birthday. Yo, guys, you're bad singers.
Amazing.
You're bad singers.
That was some pretty cool singing.
Can we get some cake?
Yeah, put the horns. The horns.
Yeah, where's the horns? Let's get the horns out. Man, this session is just... Oh my god.
We've done everything but to trade in this session.
We did everything. Talk about cars. We talked about whatever. No, I understand for the people there, like right now, like what's going on here. Yeah, I understand. I understand. This is
right.
There's no moves happening right now. All pairs that we trade are arranging. Thank you for the song, Ricardo. Here's the Master P.
No worry. London's been a bit of a disaster.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
It's like
everything
Asian.
moves. It's like everything moves to New York.
Even New York is not always the best. Like GJ in New York,
but it's usually about midnight in my time, which is about
London close, or
NYSE
also moves a bit.
Yeah, at NYSE stock market open, and then half an hour later. If you look at that move on gold last night, it happened. Well, it happened at midnight my time, which is New York. Yeah, it's like 9 o'clock New York time.
Oh, we've been streaming.
A bit of a pain. I can't stay up till midnight waiting for trades.
Yeah. It's annoying that just it's not doing like anything. Like no options are being shown. Zero. No. Like not even risky trades are being shown right now.
No. There was only maybe that 5-minute thing over there once it retraced to 600, but that went literally just 10.5 pips and boom.
Yeah.
That was it. Oh, Ingrid, now dedicate some words to Luke. Oh, Luke knows everything he's done, man. He knows 7K subscribers. He knows the words.
You're my official student.
Yeah, true. For real, I'd save his charts when I showed up. I'd be like, damn.
This Papa boy is making some moves.
Yeah.
Yeah, that all died down now. It is what it is. Gotta be patient. Gotta be patient.
Yeah, I wish we started trading like 5 years earlier. Then by now we could just retire and screw the charts. Screw the ranges.
Screw the range. Just drop in 100 lot and see where it go. No, no stop loss. Middle CPI. Luke, thank you guys. Thank you.
So how old are you now, Luke?
That's a good question. I turned 43. No.
I think it's 22.
Yes, 22. Yeah.
Wow.
22.
Wow. Man's young as hell.
Yeah, man. Man's young. 22.
22.
22. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Still young.
I just turned 61.
Oh, damn.
You're joking, 61. Max.
You're pretty much already on this earth 3 times.
Max,
at least 2
Max,
times
you
more.
look like 40, 45.
I stayed pretty fit. I was out. I went out early this morning, like swimming in the sea, like in the local pool. It's like a saltwater pool.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like it was 8 degrees. It was pretty cold, but it's so nice.
Yeah.
So
man.
are you actually 65, Max?
Sorry?
Are you actually
61.
65?
61.
61. Yeah.
Oh, 61.
Man's calling numbers here.
No.
I'm not
no,
65 yet.
No. You still don't look 61, man. Honestly.
I don't feel 61.
You look fit, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. You look 40, 45,
I
Max.
feel
45,
30.
50.
I feel like 30.
Yeah, you're surfing. You're surfing like.
You got to stay fit.
Yeah. There's this guy, where I used to live, and he's like 96, like no joke, and he's on his bicycle every single day, and he rides like 10-20 kilometers at least.
Yeah.
And he's going
That's
slow.
how you stay fit.
Yeah, but the moment he's gonna stop, he's gonna die. Trust.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, but it's true. It's true.
Oh yeah. You got to keep going.
Yeah.
Because even they say that the earlier that you retire, for example, when you have a normal job, the earlier you retire and you stop, being active, you die. You just die of stop being active.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah, you got to keep.
Of inactivity. Yeah,
hobby.
so you have to keep going like every day, at least for a walk.
Yeah. Find a good hobby that you really enjoy, and then you need to do that constantly. Not like constantly, but mostly every single day.
I think Max has more experience to tell us about that book.
Yeah.
We're still young.
When you're 22, you don't have to do a thing. You're fine. Nothing can harm you. You can eat pizza all day. You can Yeah.
He's not allowed.
I'm not allowed, man. Augustus gonna get a plane ticket and he's gonna slap me, but
Master P takes care of that pizza for breakfast.
yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but that's okay because it's breakfast, right, Augustus? You can take anything on
Yeah.
breakfast. No, no, it's a joke.
Max anymore.
I brought them those pizzas. Yeah.
Let's do we drop the Zoom link into the?
Yeah, I guess GG's not gonna do anything at this point.
Man, the only thing you can wait for is a
Yeah,
below,
yeah,
below
right.
here.
You never know. We might see a 9 o'clock move.
Yeah, yeah. That's the only thing.
Let's wait like maybe.
Because 7 o'clock was
Let's
the
wait.
news.
Yeah, let's wait 50
then,
minutes.
Then 8 o'clock.
Yeah, go ahead. 8 o'clock. What?
No, I said 7 o'clock was the news. 8 o'clock was the London Open. We didn't have any sort of a volume. Now we might have a push in 9 o'clock just before 4 hour close.
Yeah, makes sense.
All right, guys. I think I will get going now. No threats for today.
Yeah, that's okay, man. Like Dennis.
Okay, take care, guys.
Take care,
Take
Dennis.
care. Yeah.
And it's been a fun day. First time singing birthday song on a live stream.
It's every Friday's live music.
I hope nearly every Friday. If Ricardo's there, we got live music.
Exactly. He's the man.
Yep.
All right, see you guys. Bye bye.
See ya.
Take
Sales
care.
below
Take care.
65, 370. Okay. Yeah, it's gonna break structure down on a 4 hour. Makes sense, but at the end of the day, you're in an uptrend. But makes sense to come down and then buy back up again. Looks pretty good. Where is Luke located? Good question. Are you a serial killer? Or?
New York City.
Red Light Street.
Oh my god. I would make him big bank, none. I wouldn't be trading. No, joke.
It actually costs about $80 to rent out one of those.
You know that. You know the numbers.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. I know what's
There was a board.
Yeah.
There was a board.
We know how you know those numbers.
Yeah,
Master.
we know it. We know it. He's renting them out
There
himself.
was was like a leaflet left on a doors.
Yeah, exactly.
For that, so it's like for the whole day. But imagine, man, they get like I don't know 7 customers a day.
Yeah, they
100 euros each. You're done.
Bro.
Yeah, that's a perfect investment right there, right?
But they need they
man.
still need to pay more, like not just tax free.
Taxes. I don't know.
Don't have taxes for that, bro.
Yeah,
I don't think so, yeah.
You pay the government. You're getting pounded. You still need to pay the government.
Don't worry, man. They have connections with the government.
You're getting a screwed both ways.
Yeah.
No,
Man, I
man,
wonder
you
if
can't be like that. You can't.
I
that
wonder
needs
if the
to be
YouTube can
tax-free,
follow our
man.
discussion. Yeah, for
That
real, I
needs
hope
to
so.
be tax-free. It can't be like that. The government's taking 50%. Do you see the government laying there in the bed too? No. So.
How'd you know, Luke? How'd you know?
Fucking over the government at the same time.
Can you imagine Mark Rutte just being in this thing? Oh shit. Man, sometimes we have some discussions. I'm like, can the YouTube even follow us?
This was probably the most unserious live stream we've ever had.
There was a comment in the Zoom, Master P. Yeah, Master P is the kind of guy like to rent a room for the trade.
Menu office space, yeah.
He offers his consultancy, so if people knock on the door, yeah, you want to use a condom?
Oh man, you guys are gonna be cracking up.
Hey, would be a good place though. Would be a good place for your consultancy. Got a lot of guys from there with.
I'll have free signals or free mentorship at the front door.
You can choose.
Just gonna knock.
You want the gigolo vibe or you want the consultancy vibe?
Oh dear.
Like Master P in the red light district. Making sure his consultancy runs.
Yeah.
Yeesh. Man. Yeah, this is probably one of the most serious sessions we had in a while.
Yeah, for the new people, don't worry, it's not a... We actually discuss some meaningful things on most streams.
Yes, sir. But this is just... The thing is, I said it from the beginning, yeah. Look, this is gonna do some ranging, yeah. Watch it do ranging. And it just fleeced us so hard. But I do think there's a lot of gold volume in pre-London session.
Yeah, inside the range. Look at this one.
Man. It is what it is. Yeah. Very fun though, yeah, thank you, thank you. Jenny, why? I actually missed the Choo Choo song. Happy birthday, look. Thank you. Maybe this Friday or next Friday we're gonna have a new song. Or the same song. Choo Choo. LTK. Look, just started watching your stream. Really good, man. And happy birthday. Thank you, man. Yeah, it's a little bit unserious right now. There's so much ranging, not a lot going on. You see GJ is trying to move up now though, but the range is way too small to take anything. The top of this range is just 9 pips, so this is entire no trade range for you right there. But let's see, last 5 minute push, Augustus?
Last 10-minute push.
Yeah. 5-10 minute push, let's see. On the move.
Then this candle moves up with no confirmation last 10 minutes. Trust.
Yeah, trust. Gonna do it.
I mean, yeah, if the 30 minute can close above, then maybe you can get some.
Yeah, waiting for close above 800, close below 600.
What would your ideal birthday gift be? 10k.
10k.
No,
he's not allowed for cakes, you know.
What do you say? Today I am, right?
I said you're not allowed for cakes.
Today I am. Today is a cheat day. Today is cheat day. Maybe it was yesterday. No,
Yes,
no,
sir.
joke. Today is cheat day. Today,
Of course, bro.
10k cash, no, 10,000 subscribers. Cash is trash. No, I don't know. What would be my ideal birthday gift? Good question. Rented room somewhere.
A night away.
Redland. That's a good question though. I don't know, man. Just a fun day away with friends to make good memory. That's what I think.
Yeah, that's nice.
What would be perfect situation? Just jump in a couple whips and then go do a Europe tour. An F40? No, I'd rather have an F50. I'm more the F50 guy. Even though I like an F40, F50 is more in my zone.
Yeah, they should, man. If they make a modern body of the F50, that's like a rocket ship.
It's insane, man. I don't know what a lot of people don't like it. 100k account and winning trades every day. Yeah, that would be good as well. Just GJ stop ranging. Give me $1 million account. Nah, I'm all Gucci from where I am right now. The thing is, if you're gonna go to $1 million account right now, you can't even trade it. Trust.
You shit your pants.
Yeah. Dropping 100 lot no. NK on XRP.
There was a killer trade on the Euro USD.
Yeah.
Yeah. On the 15-minute candle, classic retest and then the breakout above the bearish 15-minute.
Yeah, I saw that too.
That would have been nice. I don't trade Euro USD though. I can't.
It's also that 15. That's also that 30-minute candle bearish high. You look on the 30.
Right. Yeah.
I mean, we've been saying Euro USD is like not good, but lately it's been moving way more than GJ.
Yeah. I mean, GJ moved nice this morning in Asian session, but
yeah.
But I wasn't there.
I see this guy. Traveling is allowed again in Europe, mostly on this. Yes, PCR test. Yeah. I think once everything is open again, we should do like a huge meetup where everyone comes.
Oh, that'd be sick. Even
like
the
huge. Yeah. What?
Yeah, like everybody, even the YouTube guys. The whole,
yeah, everyone.
Oh,
like a big event. Bruv, that's a fucking great idea.
We can rent out a bar.
No, we can rent out the entire like Ahoy in Rotterdam.
What?
Like we need to rent out like a big place, and then
the tower in Rotterdam. What's that tower?
No, Ahoy in Rotterdam. You know Ahoy? 100% tuning. 100% tuning, right?
100%, yeah. 100%.
That's Ahoy. If you get like a big.
Yeah.
And everyone puts stand in, so like it's gonna be a lot of fun. That would be sick. That's a good idea, like an arena. Yeah. But then where everyone can just walk to their favorite traders and then have a chat with them and meet them.
Oh yeah, that'd be sick. There was this event.
Insane.
Yeah, there was this event in Amsterdam that was gonna be hosted called like the Trader Vault, but it got cancelled due to Corona. But there was gonna supposedly be a lot of traders from around the world, like actual big traders. One of them, as owner of the SMB capital prop firm from New York, was gonna be there as well, but got cancelled, unfortunately.
Bro, but this is a good idea.
Yeah, definitely.
I'm gonna be looking into that. It's gonna cost a lot of fucking money right there.
True. You need some connections as well to get everybody down.
Oh yeah, that's no issue because I was actually there's a luxury fair and one other fair. I know those guys that do that, so they have contact with the people that the bosses from Ahoy and stuff. So that's no problem.
Okay, no, but also to get like a lot of traders down there, a lot of mentors and things like that.
Yeah,
that'd be.
But that's gonna be okay because that's when everyone is coming together. 100%. A lot of people are coming. 100%.
True. An idea could be to just rent out like a bar for the community and just meet people there, have a drink.
Yeah, everyone has their own stand. Just make a huge.
Yeah.
That would be insane. Yeah, 100%. Ricky was coming. Yeah, 100%.
If Franco's gonna be in Pakistan, we could just fly over to him. No time. Go chill with them.
Okay, 4 minutes left for handles to start closing.
Oh shit! Never mind. It's a 12-hour flight from Amsterdam. Damn.
12-hour. I don't know. Is that far away?
Oh damn! Never mind. Pakistan is way further than I remember.
Yeah, 12 hours. That's not 12
GJ
hours.
with GU, right? It's mad.
The 12. GU, right?
GU with GJ, man, it's mad. Like GU is just pushing.
Oh, GU,
just pushing, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe there's some strength in the pound, in the yen. That's kind of making it range. even though it's closed. But
yeah,
but Euro is pushing as well against JPY.
Yeah, weird. USD was also pushing against JPY to the bear side. Wait, where's Euro pushing? Is it pushing down? Oh, Euro's pushing up against the yen and you.
oh shit, there we go. Sorry guys. Make a quick thing. There you go.
9 o'clock fly over, please. Some movement.
Look, we do New York session live stream. Yes, sir. I will be doing the New York session live streams together with Master P. I will be doing Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and Master P is gonna do Tuesday and Thursdays on this channel, Luke Trades London, every single day of the month.
So Luke's going
not at the beginning of the month, because at the moment when he's off, then we're gonna do that for him. I had a chat with him and he's really happy that we're gonna do that, and I think it's very good that we take initiative to help the people out at that moment. So for the people that are a little bit butthurt about it, because there were some people in the Slack that were butthurt, I had a chat with him about this and he likes it a lot that we're gonna do this. So
it's going to be Luke Trades.
People are just jealous, mate.
yes, sir. 1 minute left. How's the Chinese indicator looking?
Chinese indicator? Let's take a look. Well, it says pound is really strong. Well, not is sort of strong. Yen is sort of weak. So pound yen should go up. But
how to get into Zoom? You can get in 1 minute. No. That's what. Yeah.
We should do that meet. Like Mr. J just said, we should do that meetup in Dubai. Then Rajat
Yeah,
can come
but
in. That'd be so
yeah. Let's see. Okay. A small move right there. And everything on. Let's see. I'll be careful still with that. Low. Even though low is bullish, should be Gucci.
Yeah, at this point, the 1 hour closed with like a smaller bullish body than the previous one as well. So kind of low volume.
Dying down. Gold, nothing.
Even if it breaks the 4 hour high at this point, it's not a good idea to take that.
Gold too. No good trades on gold right now.
Nope, nothing. Gonna go make myself a toast. Hold on.
Be quick. We're gonna get the zoom in a second.
Oh yeah, for sure. I'll be here in a minute.
Are you gonna trade New York sessions? In the meantime, Reggie is moving. Yes, Ingrid. Yes. Yes, sir. Wait, what? Yeah, just learn from the loss. That's the only thing you gotta do. See some. Ooh. Where is Roger moving to? Pakistan. One second, let me make a quick Instagram. Sheesh. Didn't Roger buy a new house a few months ago? Nah, it's all Gucci. Don't worry. I'm doing pips, yes sir. No, it's gonna stay the same, Alan. It's gonna stay the same. He's gonna keep on doing the New York. So Gucci. Oh man, that's nice, Harsh. That's nice. We fly to Rotterdam from Sydney to just thank you lads for the education and content. Thank you, man.
Right, I'm back.
Let's drop the Zoom link in. Got 42 people in the Zoom, so there's able to join around
60 people.
60 people.
First come, first serve.
Okay. Are you guys ready for the Zoom meeting? Are you guys ready? This is gonna be chaos, yeah? This is gonna be chaos.
Oh boy.
Yes? Everyone, keep everything respectful. No music. No music. And if you want to write on the screen, do your thing.
If
you're able to.
Anything. Oh man, this is gonna get so crazy.
Yeah, this is gonna get mad. Let me invite copy link. No?
Oh, I'll tell you later.
Okay. I got the mute button on point. Are you guys ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh shit.
There we go. There we go.
Oh,
it's live.
See,
it's live. It's live. Let's see.
Nobody joins.
Nobody joins. Nobody's getting in. Let's see.
Wait, I think YouTube didn't send it. Oh
really?
No, there it is. Oh,
there it is.
Up. Oh,
yeah,
shit.
it takes a little time.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. It's gonna get filled.
Oh, 44.
44.
46.
50.
Oh damn, 55.
Ooh, people are coming in. Sheesh. People are coming in. Let's put it like this.
Show everybody on the webcam.
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect.
Got it.
It's 75 people.
Oh, it's a lot of man like Christian
Turn on your
J.
camera. Let's.
Man like Christian J.
Turn on the
oh,
cams.
80 people. Sheesh.
Opening a bottle for you. Happy birthday.
Look at all the faces.
Yo, yo, yo.
What's up, guys? What's up, guys?
Oh shit.
Jeez, a lot of people are connecting right now. Yeah.
Happy
birthday, Bo.
Yeah, thank you guys. Thank you. We even got Michelle in. Damn. Hello.
I think someone's got it on in the background.
Yeah, a lot of people got everything on in the background. It's,
Cheers, everybody.
Let me got that background noise. Let me. Yeah, there we go. It's off. People are able to mute, but nice. Yeesh.
Yeah,
it's full.
It's full. Yeah, it's full.
Oh yeah, it's full. We got to meet the gulag.
Yeah, man.
So how's the gulag?
Faces.
A lot of people without shirts here. Well,
yeah, guys. Come on, guys. You need to wake up. Shower, man. Come on.
Man, come on. You gotta trade this is serious business.
Come on, get out. You got trading guy coming
Julius, Julius knows the
in. Got a lot of cameras out right now. Damn.
We got Dai
Happy birthday, Luke. Happy birthday,
man.
fella.
Thank you. So I expect the song right now, guys.
Yeah, everybody on
Let's go. 1, 2,
3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday to you.
Come on, tune in, everybody.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy
birthday, Luke.
Thank you guys. Thank you.
Man, who's that guy?
You guys the worst thing here.
There's a lot of background noise on right now.
Just mute everyone else.
Yeah. Let's do this for a second. Yeah, there you go. This is the most unserious session we've ever had. No joke. No joke. Well, I want to thank all of you for coming in. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for the 7th grade. Thank you for this session as well. I know it was a very unserious session. Moves have been trash. We didn't really have any moves to catch. All the moves were just inside a very, very small range. So yeah, let's see if we can do better today, tomorrow morning. Yeah, let's get it. Thank you guys for tuning in, and see you guys tomorrow morning. There we go. Thank you. There we go.